the best camera ever. Okay, so we're sort of focused now. So you can see this battery has two terminals. It has a positive one, which is small on this side, and a negative one, which is larger on this side. And you can see that gas is coming from both terminals that are submerged in our baking soda and water solution. And we're collecting the gas here in the top of the test tube, and the creepy drawing face on the back is like photobombing me. Look right through there. That is like the strangest shot ever. Okay. So, I'll just give this back. I shouldn't be allowed to talk on film. Okay. So, make sure you've got your procedure done. I'll give you a minute to do that while I clean up this mess. Make sure you've got a paper towel if you need it too.
There's no more paper towels.
Oh, there's a tissue box, and there's probably some napkins sitting around. That would be great. If your procedure's done, go ahead and go to the bathroom and get paper towels for everyone.
So can we stop our procedure at the point where we put it over the battery?
Yes.
Okay.
And then we'll talk about what's really going on here. I just wanted to get it going so we can actually collect enough gas to have fun at the end.
Like hydrogen on fire?
Are we not using the alligator clips?
We are not. So your procedure is pretty vastly different from what we did there because we didn't have any nails. Yep, just put it back. Especially if you lose the small terminal, the positive terminal, it doesn't matter because we can't do anything with that. And I will explain when Brittany returns and we clean up a little and make sure everyone's done their procedure. And compare your procedure to your partner's procedure and such so that you make sure you've got all the details. Maybe Lily can explain to us why I said it's important to connect black to one end and red to the other end, since you had real-world experience with that this morning. When you dump a car.
Oh, we didn't actually get to dump it because it's way in, like, up in our garage.
Sorry.
I'm going to get paper towels.
Error.
Yeah, at least the comb is not.
Yeah.
And even though this is battery in your conductive solution, you're completely safe. You'll not shock yourself, even if you stuck your hand in there. Don't worry. All right. So, once you've got them running and your procedure's done, how many people need more time for cleaning up, getting your procedure done, and
Cleaning up.
cleaning up? Yeah, I made the extra special mess right here.
Do y'all need more paper towels?
I think we can probably just.
I got one.
Yeah. See the earth and. Which one was that?
I have no idea at this point.
But it's really important. You want to start over then? It's really important to make sure you don't mix the two gases, or we'll have a bigger surprise then. Yeah. Oh, maybe you need to hold on to them, especially if your procedure is here. Yeah, you're gonna make a mess possibly. But that's all right. If you pull the battery all the way out, that's also fine. Don't touch it.
I know.
Don't touch it. Like all the water is.
I know. Half the water usually. Yeah, I might have to.
Yeah, you have to redo that one. That's the small one.
There you go.
Sorry. Even, I mean, if you lose the small one, you almost don't have. Well, as long as we get a few, like yours is going on nicely. Okay. So we'll set ourselves back up and got the procedure. Wipe hands on hands. I did that last week a bunch of times. Okay. Good. You maybe needs something heavier. I wonder if I have more scissors. I would have used them, surely. Okay.
Are there any dry paper towels left?
How much of them do we have?
I was just gonna let them know.
Here. Yeah.
No,
This is
just
less
let it
attractive than
air
being
dry.
wet. Okay, so let's talk about the 3 types of reactions. So you'll want just your lab sheet and a pencil where you can get to it while still not knocking over your experiment, hopefully. So, can someone name one of the 3 types that we have been reading about this week? Collecting the gas. So, formation reactions. So, if you look at your front side here, we've got these. So, one of those 3 should be formation reactions. And I'll see if I can actually aim at the board. So, and what are the characteristics of a formation reaction? What do you have to do for a formation reaction?
Isn't that when all of the, is when it only comes out as one substance?
Yes, so in a formation reaction, you form one substance from what? 2 or more elements. And for our purposes, we really are going to do just elements for formation reaction, although you can form one substance from 2 or more compounds. So, formation is elements bond to form a compound. No. So, in A, for number 1, you want to write formation, elements bond to form a compound. Alright, so B, what's another kind?
Decomposition is basically the opposite of formation.
Exactly, decomposition. And so how would you describe that?
Where you take one compound and decompose it into 2 or more elements.
So a compound breaks down into its elements. Again, you can have decomposition where a compound breaks down into 2 or more compounds, but for us, if I say decompose it, just break it down into its elements. Now, what's the 3rd type of chemical reaction we looked at this week?
Complete combustion.
Complete combustion. And what happens with that?
Compounds and oxygen is react to make carbon dioxide and water.
A compound reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. Okay. So we'll look at some examples of those 3. Oh wow, it's way up there. Formation, decomposition, and complete combustion. Okay. I wonder. Nope. Can't figure that out. I never figured this out. It's so sad. Like a dog sitting down. Oh my goodness.